Step number 1, download the app that will pay you to upload photos. Step number 2, upload any photo that you like from your library. And then step number 3, sit back, relax, and enjoy the $500 paycheck you just received. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my Money Crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. Now, before I reveal the method where you'll be making $850 daily for just uploading your photos. Check this out right here. People are getting paid thousands of dollars for just uploading their photos. Now, results are not typical. You may earn more than this or less than this. But I can guarantee you one thing, you will be making loads of money as soon as you finish watching this video. A little disclaimer before I continue. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Now the 3 steps for earning $850 daily by just uploading photos are. Step number 1, I'm going to reveal the #1 website out there that is paying people tons of cash for just uploading their photos. Moving on to step number 2, I'm going to unveil how to earn the maximum amount of money using your photos. And the last step, that is step number 3, I'll be showing you how to upload other people's photos for profit. Now before we continue, I want to share with you guys how much people are earning on this website. Now this is big, $1 billion in contributor earnings. Every year it has been growing and growing. All we need to do is take a small share for ourselves out of this and make money while sipping our favorite drink in Hawaii. Now before you guys call this a scam, I'm going to explain why are people getting paid to upload their photos. As you can see here, the average cost to hire a photographer is over $100 per hour. All the businesses out there who need a professional photo for their website or magazine article, instead of hiring a photographer, a cheaper alternative is to go to these websites and download ultra high quality images for a cheaper price. Now it's time to head over to the website where all of this magic is going to happen. The name of this website is Shutterstock.com. Now, Shutterstock has a contributor program where you get paid for just uploading your photos. Here it says, share your work and start earning. All you gotta do over here is create or produce high-quality images. Now I'm going to share a secret bonus trick with you guys where you don't even have to produce the photos yourself. You will be using other people's photos and making yourself a fortune. After you have your images ready, all you gotta do is submit them and start getting paid. You can even refer people to the site and earn referral commissions as well. Let me show you how many people are visiting this website every month. Here on SimilarWeb, you can see that almost 72 million people are visiting this website every single month. This stat shows that there is a very good chance that your photos will get downloaded and you will start earning from every single photo you upload. The best part about them is that they even have an app to monitor everything. This app is available for both Android and iOS. You can track your earnings, upload on the go, and submit from your phone. So you can literally upload as many photos as you want and start making money. Before I move on any further, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Now for my Money Crushers, who always want more out of everything, here is a secret website which you can start using today and double your earnings. The name of this website is clickasnap.com. On this website, you will get paid 70 cents for every single view that your photo receives. Meaning for every 1,000 views, you will be making $700. How cool is that? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The process to set up your account on this website is exactly similar to Shutterstock. You just upload your photos to their website and start making money. Now for the Money Crushers who watch my videos till the end, here is a bonus for you. If you don't want to upload your own photos to these websites, I have an amazing solution for you. You can visit Pexels.com that provides free stock images and videos and upload these images on Shutterstock and click a snap. All these images are copyright free, so you won't land into any trouble for using them. By using this technique, you will be making thousands of dollars in no time just by sitting at your home. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.